How to disassemble and assemble a rodless cylinder. First, use a wrench to loosen the nut. Next, take a metal rod and insert it into the rodless cylinder, pressing against the strong magnet inside. At the same time, use pliers to grip the rodless cylinder and apply downward pressure to separate the slide from the strong magnet. Remove the slide and take out the strong magnet. Then, clean the interior of the slide using tools or rinse it with alcohol and wipe it clean. Now, begin assembling the rodless cylinder. Place the slide over the rodless cylinder and insert the strong magnet into the cylinder. Attach the nut and tighten it with a wrench. Next, position the end of the rodless cylinder with a nut against the ground. Grip the rodless cylinder with pliers and apply firm downward pressure on the slide. When you hear two crisp sounds, the assembly is complete.